Hello and welcome to Real Estate in a Minute. I'm George Mueller with Century 21 SGR. Today's topic, the MRED Weekly Update. Before I dive in, just a couple things. There's a bit of a shift here, maybe indicating a buyer's market. You'll see what I mean in a couple slides. Residential closed listings, they saw about a 17% dip compared to last week, while outperforming last year's pandemic numbers. Again, not too terribly surprised by the comparison between last year's and this year's numbers, but a bit of a dip there with closed listings. Under contract listings here remain steady and high, as you can see. Just because it didn't increase doesn't mean that bad things are happening. But again, steady and high is the operative word here. New listings here. Again, this is where I'm kind of hinting at a buyer's market here starting to emerge. New listings jumped 3% and continue to be the highest they've been in this market snapshot. Keep an eye on this stat for a possible shift towards a buyer's market. Rented listings, again, not a big surprise here. As expected, saw a 44% drop since last week. Keep in mind last week's data included May 1st, so again, that's why we're going to see the dip here. As you can see, open houses saw a dip here as well. Not surprised by this drop. Again, Mother's Day weekend was last weekend. Many people weren't doing open houses both days last weekend. So again, not surprised with this. I do expect this to go up and remain pretty high until Memorial Day weekend. Showings, as you can see in the orange here, that's 2021. Good numbers here. They're outperforming not only last year, obviously, but 2020 numbers as well. So kind of keep this in mind, as you can see here. I expect this to kind of continue to stay in this area, maybe a slight jump up. Sold prices. This is good news if you are selling though, and this is part of the seller's market that we're in. So MRED's marketplace saw a 3.1% weekly increase in residential median sale prices, pushing the current total to 297,000. That's high. This marks the 6th consecutive week with median sale prices above 280,000. Continue to look at this, continue to monitor this too, to kind of see where prices are. Again, outpacing last year, obviously, but again, at this price of 297,000, great indicator if you're looking to sell. Residential rental prices were steady with last week's and are about $70 higher than this time last year. Again, good indicators here as well. So overall, strong indicators. We're still in the seller's market with the median home price and closed listings. But keep an eye on the new listings as an indicator of a possible buyer's market emerging. If you are looking to sell or buy, it is a fantastic time. Keep in mind interest rates just under 3% for 30-year fixed. Your money goes really far in this market. If you want more specifics on that, let me know. And that is Real Estate in a Minute. Please feel free to reach out with any questions.